Hi guys, back with this Dyson AM05 heater fan. As you can see here and in the previous video, I've dismantled the unit and just pulled all the body parts off, and I've just put them in a bucket of bleach to soak. Now I've took them out, just going to give them all a clean, as you can see I'm doing here. Just going to shower these units off because they're completely covered in dust, all of the insides of them. And I'll just show you this section here. This is the impeller or the fan. Harbours a lot of dust. Every time I clean it, more dust just seems to come out. As you can see here, you just see big chunks coming out, bit by bit. So I've had to give it a good clean, and I managed to clean it eventually. And here's the fan blade. Absolutely do not get this section wet, because as it's got a 240 volt element inside. So just give it a blast with air or something like that, or wipe it out with a damp cloth, but do not pour liquid inside this section here, as there's 240 volts inside. And here you can see I've got all the parts clean now, and I'll just give you a close-up. Got all the body parts clean. Obviously I didn't clean the electrical parts, but just give you a close-up of the body parts what I've cleaned thus far. And you can see the fan and inside of the main body here. And I'll just give this a wipe out with a damp cloth and a brush. Got it nice and clean. And I'm just waiting for the PCB, as I said. Very difficult to get hold of. Until then, thanks for watching and please subscribe.